I just got the Android 17 update and here are all the new features that comes with it. And I got this update on my Pixel phone, so this is as stock Android as it gets. First up is the new screen reaction feature. If you go to the quick access panel and open screen recording, you'll now see a show selfie camera option here. And if you enable this toggle button, you'll be able to record your screen and yourself from the selfie camera simultaneously in the same recording. The best part is that it automatically gives an overlay to the cutout and it works really well. So you don't need a green screen or any third-party apps to record these type of videos. You can do that natively on your phone. You can now create floating resizable app bubbles for any app. Tapping on the bubbles opens the app and you can easily switch between the opened apps from here. This makes quick access and multitasking highly efficient and effortless. Currently, Android 17 supports 5 bubbles at a time, after which the new bubbles will replace the old ones. And the animation of these bubbles is also very smooth. The way it minimizes, pops up and floats across the screen looks really great. The recent screen now gives a new save option. Basically, if you have a photo open on any app and you want to save it, you can simply open the recent style and tap here. Previously, it would only show options for sharing the image, but now you can simply tap on save to save the picture on your device. You now also get a new blue dot on the status bar, which is a useful privacy feature. You see, whenever an app is using the GPS of your phone, this blue dot will appear right here. Whether you're using Maps or any other app which is accessing your location, you'll see this indicator so that you know exactly when your location is being accessed in real time. For foldables, the Android 17 is changing the gaming experience. It brings a new foldable gaming mode that optimizes the screen with 50-50 split. The upper part will feature the game screen without any floating buttons, and the bottom part will have a dedicated gaming pad with all the buttons and in-game controls. This will let you enjoy an immersive gaming experience without compromising the screen with multiple floating buttons. Previously, on Android 16, the Wi-Fi and mobile data toggles were inside the internet button, but now with Android 17, they are separated. Which makes sense because it's more convenient this way. You can turn them on or off with just one tap. And if you want to make the home screen more aesthetic and less distracting, you can even remove the app names from here. To do it, just long press on the home screen and select wallpapers and style. Scroll down, tap on icons and select names. Simply disable the show app names toggle button and tap on apply. Now you'll see that all the app names are removed from the home screen and only the icons are visible. You now also get a separate volume slider for the assistant. Previously, the media volume slider controlled the assistant and media volume together. So it's nice that you can adjust the media and assistant volume separately. Samsung has been offering this feature for quite a while with their One UI and it's finally coming to all Androids. Android 17 also brings an upgrade to the dark theme. You can now manually select the apps to apply dark themes on and decide which ones to use their default theme. To do it, you just need to go to Display and Touch, Dark Theme, Expanded, and from here you can toggle off dark themes for apps of your choice. In split screen mode, you'll now see 2 arrows, using which you can adjust the ratio of the app screen. You can still drag the screen to change the ratio, but the arrows are just another way to do the same thing. The Ask Pixel feature is now live and working with Android 17 update. This essentially lets you ask your Pixel device about any issue that you're facing on the phone, and it will show you how to fix it. Like if I type my AOD is not working, it will show me the steps to turn on AOD on my device. Android 17 is also bringing a new privacy feature that will allow you to grant permission access to specific contacts to apps that require contact access. It will work just like the limited access you can already give to apps for photos and videos. It's not yet here, but it will be released soon. And finally, there's an Easter egg. I mean, you already know that you need to connect all these dots for the Android 17 logo to appear. But did you know if you long press on the Android 17 logo, you'll get access to the space exploration game called Landroid, and accessing it will also unlock a new Landroid screensaver on your device. And that's about it. These were all the new and interesting changes that the Android 17 is bringing. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to Gizmo Rush. I'll see you in the next one.